Anker, a leading brand in consumer electronics, has recently unveiled its latest addition to the Soundcore lineup, the Anker Soundcore H30i headphones. Boasting an extraordinary battery life of up to 70 hours, these wireless on-ear headphones are developed to provide an immersive and enduring audio experience. Following the success of the Soundcore Space One, showcased at IFA 2023, the Soundcore continues Anker's commitment to delivering high-quality audio solutions with a touch of style. Sporting a classic appearance, the H30i is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, offering Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity for enhanced clarity and an extended range. One of the standout features of the Anker Soundcore H30i is its remarkable battery life of 70 hours, setting it apart in the competitive market of wireless headphones. This longevity makes it an ideal choice for long journeys, work commutes, or simply extended periods of use without the need for frequent recharging. The headphones are developed with user convenience in mind, as they are foldable, allowing for easy storage and portability. Weighing a mere 183 grams, the H30i is light enough to wear comfortably for extended periods, making it an excellent choice for those who value fatigue-free listening experiences. The earpieces of the Soundcore feature soft and removable ear pads, adding an extra layer of comfort. This, coupled with the fatigue-free wearing comfort, ensures that users can enjoy their music or calls without any discomfort, even during prolonged use. Under the hood, the Anker Soundcore H30i comes equipped with 40mm dynamic drivers, delivering powerful bass and crisp audio. Users have the option to fine-tune their audio experience through the Soundcore mobile app, allowing customization of sound settings to suit individual preferences. Bluetooth 5.3 support in the H30i not only ensures a stable and efficient wireless connection, but also enables multi-point connectivity. This feature allows users to connect the headphones to multiple devices simultaneously, providing a seamless transition between devices. In addition to its audio capabilities, the Anker Soundcore can be used for hands-free calling and content streaming through a tablet. The integrated controls on the headphones make it easy to manage calls and playback without reaching for the connected device. Charging the Soundcore is quick and convenient, with 5 minutes of charging providing up to 4 hours of playtime. The integrated battery ensures that users spend more time enjoying their favorite music, and less time tethered to a charging cable. The Anker Soundcore H30i wireless on-ear headphones have made their debut on Amazon Germany, offering a compelling audio solution for enthusiasts at the affordable price of €39 or approximately $43. This budget-friendly option positions the H30i as an attractive choice for those seeking a balance between quality and cost in the competitive headphone market. In conclusion, the Anker Soundcore H30i headphones offer a compelling combination of impressive battery life, stylish appearance, and advanced audio features. Priced competitively at €39, these headphones cater to users seeking a reliable and versatile audio companion for various settings. The Anker Soundcore is undoubtedly a noteworthy addition to Anker's lineup, setting a new standard for wireless headphone performance. Thank you for watching. I also wanted to know how you feel about the Anker brand. Have you come across its products in your life? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.